Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Walmart Family Mobile SIM card step by step. First, make sure your phone is powered off, then insert the SIM card into your phone. Next, turn your phone back on. It may automatically prompt you to start the activation process. If not, open your browser and go to walmartfamilymobile.com/activate or use the activation link included in your SIM card package. Enter your SIM card number, phone number, if you're transferring from another provider, and other required details. Then create or log in to your Walmart Family mobile account, choose your plan, and follow the on-screen instructions. Once activation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message or email. Finally, restart your phone to connect to the network. And that's it. Your Walmart Family Mobile SIM card is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.